Have you ever pondered how much of your life is influenced by beliefs that aren't truly yours? It's a startling thought. Each day, many people unknowingly follow external influences, living lives shaped by beliefs instilled by others. But what if you could change this and consciously shape your mind to achieve your deepest desires? It's time to take control of your thoughts and reshape your reality. Picture yourself standing before a mirror, observing your reflection. The image you see is a direct result of your physical presence. Similarly, your life's experiences mirror your internal state, governed by the beliefs held in your subconscious mind. This concept suggests that the reality you perceive is a projection of your inner beliefs. Once you understand this, you realize the power you have to change your life by altering these internal beliefs. At your core, you are made of love, happiness, peace, bliss, and fulfillment. These are the fundamental truths of your being. However, over time, various influences such as societal norms, parental guidance, and educational systems implant beliefs that contradict your true nature. Identifying and cleansing these distortions allows your true essence to shine through, transforming your external world to align with your inner truth. To actively transform yourself, begin by observing your reactions to daily events and interactions. When faced with a negative experience, ask yourself which internal belief it might be reflecting. For example, if you consistently encounter financial difficulties, you might be harboring a subconscious belief that money is scarce or that you are unworthy of abundance. Recognizing and challenging these beliefs is the first step toward reprogramming your subconscious mind. Freeing yourself from false beliefs requires a deep dive into your subconscious mind. These beliefs are the unseen forces guiding your actions and reactions. Think of your subconscious as a garden where both weeds and flowers grow. The weeds, untrue beliefs, may have been planted by well-meaning authority figures or societal norms. To cultivate a garden that reflects your true self, you must identify and uproot these weeds. Throughout your life, you have likely accepted statements from authority figures without questioning their validity. These suggestions can deeply embed into your subconscious, shaping your perception of reality. By questioning these authoritative suggestions, you unlock the door to true self-awareness and empowerment. For instance, if you were told you'll never be successful doing things your way, challenge this belief. Reflect on its origin and realize that only you can define your success. As you begin to identify and release untrue beliefs, the next step is to actively reprogram your subconscious mind through artful autosuggestion and self-talk. This involves speaking to yourself in a way that nurtures and reinforces your true nature. The language you use with yourself matters immensely. By consciously choosing words that reflect love, happiness, peace, bliss, and fulfillment, you can reshape your internal narrative and, consequently, your external reality. Imagine your mind as a fertile field, ready to be sown with seeds of positivity and truth. Every thought and word you direct toward yourself acts as a seed that will eventually grow into the fabric of your reality. When faced with a negative or limiting belief, address it with a positive counterstatement. For instance, if you think, "I can't achieve this goal," replace it with, "I have all the resources and capabilities within me to achieve anything I desire." Positive self-talk not only counteracts negative beliefs but also plants the seeds for future success. The beauty of artful autosuggestion lies in its subtlety and creativity. Use metaphors and analogies to reinforce your messages to yourself. Think of success as a journey rather than a destination. Tell yourself, "Each step I take brings me closer to my dreams, just like each brushstroke contributes to a masterpiece." Putting positive suggestions in this poetic, encouraging way bypasses resistance and allows them to take hold more deeply in your subconscious. Moreover, practice makes perfect. The more consistently you engage in positive self-talk, the more natural it will become. Over time, this practice transforms your internal dialogue from one of doubt and limitation to one of confidence and possibility. It's not just about repeating affirmations mindlessly, but truly believing and feeling them. As you integrate these artful autosuggestions into your daily routine, you'll notice a shift in your mindset. Your attention will naturally gravitate towards thoughts and actions that align with your true nature, facilitating a continuous cycle of positive reinforcement and personal growth. Incorporating practical techniques will further solidify your transformation. These methods provide a structured approach to rewiring your subconscious mind, making it easier to replace old limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Here are 14 practical techniques you can use to effectively brainwash yourself. Identify the positive intention behind any belief or behavior. For example, if you believe, "I can't succeed," understand that this might be your mind's way of protecting you from disappointment. Reframe it positively, acknowledging that you can achieve success with effort. Change the meaning of limiting statements. If you hear, "Success is difficult," redefine it to, "Success is a journey of growth and learning, and I embrace each step." Reflect on the outcomes of holding on to a limiting belief. Recognize how believing "I'll never be successful" limits your potential. Instead, focus on the infinite possibilities available to you. Shift your perspective using metaphors. Picture your goals as seeds in a garden. Remind yourself, "I am nurturing my dreams every day, and they will bloom in their own time." Recall instances when you succeeded despite challenges. Remind yourself, "I have overcome obstacles before, and I can do it again." Shift your focus to higher values. If you're worried about a specific outcome, remind yourself of broader goals like personal fulfillment and happiness. For example, "What's most important is living a life aligned with my values." Question how a limiting belief applies to you. If someone suggests, "You can't do this," ask yourself if they apply the same limitation to themselves. Remember, everyone has the potential to succeed, including you. Generalize a belief to see its broader implications. For example, understand that true success is about living a fulfilling life, not just achieving specific goals. Break down the belief into more detailed aspects to see its flaws. For instance, ask yourself which specific part of success feels unattainable and remind yourself of past achievements. Change your perspective by zooming in or out. Consider how a single failure fits into the grand scheme of your life. Each step, even missteps, is part of your ongoing success story. Challenge the belief by considering different perspectives. Understand that success looks different for everyone. Success is a personal journey, and what works for others might not work for you, and that's okay. Question how the belief is constructed in reality. If you think, "I can't succeed," ask yourself how you define success by your standards. Recognize your daily progress. View challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of focusing on potential failure, tell yourself, "Every challenge I face is an opportunity to learn and improve." Validate the positive intention behind a belief and redirect it. If someone implies you might fail, understand they might be trying to protect you. Affirm, "I appreciate their concern, but I trust in my ability to succeed through my unique approach." Ultimately, brainwashing yourself involves returning to your true nature, love, happiness, peace, bliss, and fulfillment. As Emmett Fox stated, "Blessed are the pure in heart." Purifying your subconscious mind aligns you with these truths, dissolving false beliefs, and revealing your authentic self. Your true self is discovered beneath layers of illusion, not created as a new identity. Embrace this journey of self-transformation and unlock your limitless potential. To deepen your self-transformation, it's essential to cultivate a daily practice of mindfulness and self-reflection. Begin each day with a period of quiet meditation or journaling. Use this time to reflect on your thoughts and emotions, identifying any limiting beliefs that may have surfaced. This practice not only helps you become more aware of your internal state, but also provides a dedicated time for positive autosuggestion and self-talk. Visualization is another powerful tool in reshaping your subconscious mind. Spend a few minutes each day vividly imagining your desired reality. See yourself achieving your goals, experiencing happiness, and living a life aligned with your true nature. Engage all your senses in this visualization to make it as real as possible. This practice trains your mind to focus on positive outcomes and reinforces your belief in your ability to achieve them. Additionally, surround yourself with positive influences. The people you interact with and the content you consume can significantly impact your beliefs and mindset. Seek out individuals who inspire and uplift you, and engage with books, podcasts, and media that promote personal growth and positivity. By creating an environment that supports your transformation, you make it easier to maintain a positive and empowered mindset. Developing a gratitude practice can also enhance your self-transformation journey. Each day, take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate the positive aspects of your life. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a sense of abundance and fulfillment. This shift in perspective can help counteract limiting beliefs related to scarcity and unworthiness. As you continue to reprogram your subconscious mind, it's important to be patient and compassionate with yourself. Change takes time, and setbacks are a natural part of the process. When you encounter a limiting belief or negative thought, approach it with curiosity and kindness rather than judgment. Understand that these beliefs were often formed as protective mechanisms and thank yourself for the ways they have served you in the past. Then, gently redirect your thoughts towards more empowering beliefs. To further deepen your transformation, consider exploring therapeutic modalities such as cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, or hypnotherapy. These approaches can provide additional tools and techniques for identifying and changing limiting beliefs. Working with a trained professional can offer personalized guidance and support, helping you navigate your self-transformation journey more effectively. Engaging in creative activities can also support your reprogramming efforts. Whether it's painting, writing, dancing, or any other form of creative expression, these activities allow you to access and communicate with your subconscious mind in a unique way. Creativity can serve as a powerful outlet for processing emotions, releasing old beliefs, and reinforcing new, empowering ones. Another practical technique is to establish a set of daily affirmations. Write down a list of positive statements that resonate with your true nature and your goals. Place these affirmations where you can see them regularly, such as on your bathroom mirror, your desk, or your phone. Repeat these affirmations throughout the day, especially during moments of doubt or stress. Over time, these repeated positive messages will help overwrite the old, limiting beliefs in your subconscious mind. Physical activity and body movement can also play a crucial role in your self-transformation. Engaging in regular exercise not only benefits your physical health but also positively impacts your mental and emotional well-being. Activities such as yoga, Tai Chi, or even simple stretching can help release stored tension and energy, making it easier to shift your mindset and adopt new beliefs. Incorporating breathwork into your daily routine can further support your journey. Conscious breathing exercises, such as deep diaphragmatic breathing or alternate nostril breathing, can help calm your mind and body, reducing stress and promoting a sense of peace and clarity. These practices create a conducive environment for positive autosuggestion and self-talk, enhancing their effectiveness. As you progress on your self-transformation journey, it's essential to celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Acknowledge the positive changes you've made and the growth you've experienced. Celebrating your achievements reinforces your belief in your ability to transform and motivates you to continue your efforts. Remember, self-transformation is an ongoing process. There will always be new layers of beliefs to uncover and new aspects of yourself to explore. Embrace this journey with curiosity and openness, knowing that each step brings you closer to your true nature. Trust in your ability to reshape your reality and unlock your limitless potential.